Welcome back. In this short video, we're going to talk about average rate of change. We can say ARC. Before we talk about it, let's review really quick. Which one is input? Good. Did you say input is 1, 2, 3, 4? Which ones are outputs? 6, 12, 18, 24. Input also called independent variable, output dependent variable. Now we can talk about ARC, average rate of change. Remember, average rate of change measures the change in the dependent variable over the independent variable. So it's change over the change. This change is change of the dependent variables, which means I need to look at this data. And here is a change of independent variable, which means I need to look at this data. Alright, let's try total two times. The first time I'm going to pick like this point, like this point. I'm going to pick these two pairs. Now, changes of dependent variable. If we talk about changes, we're going to subtract it. Okay, all right, so we're going to use 18 minus 6 on the top. On bottom, we have 3 minus 1. And we have 18 minus 6 is 12, 3 minus 1 is 2, and we have 6 kilometers per hour, okay? That is our average rate of change. Let's pick another one. What if this time I say we're going to pick, let's look at 24 and 18. Let's try 24 and 18. Remember, on the top, it's the changes of dependent variables. And so we have 24 minus 18. And bottom, we have a change of independent variables, 4 minus 3. 24 minus 18, that's 6. 4 minus 3, that's 1. We have 6 kilometers per hour is the average rate of change. Happy learning!